Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we'll be taking a look at a command line to-do list manager. Before we dive into the demonstration, let's talk a little about how this application was created. This is a simple command line interface, or CLI, program written in Python. It was developed as part of the Hackathon 2 Phase-1 challenge. One of the key aspects of this project is its simplicity. It's an in-memory application, which means it doesn't require a database to store the to-do list items. For managing dependencies, this project uses UV, a fast and modern package manager for Python. Now, let's get started by running the application. As you can see, we have a menu with 6 options: View, Add, Update, Mark as Complete, Delete, and Exit. Let's first try to view our to-dos by selecting option 1. The application tells us we don't have any to-dos yet. Now, let's add a new task. We'll select option 2. For the title, I'll enter Create a YouTube video. For the optional description, I'll add Create YT video for the form submission. And there we go. The application confirms our new to-do has been successfully added with an ID of 1. Let's check our list again. I'll select option 1, and you can now see our newly created task. Next, let's try the update feature. We'll select option 3 and enter the ID of the task, which is 1. For this demonstration, I'll just press Enter for both the new title and description to show that the application handles no changes by canceling the update. Now, let's mark our task as complete. I'll choose option 4 and enter the ID 1. The task is now marked as complete. Let's view the list one last time to see the result. As you can see, there's a check mark next to our task, indicating it's finished. Before we exit, notice that if you enter an invalid option, the program will prompt you to try again. Finally, to close the application, we'll select option 6. The program says goodbye and exits. And that's a quick tour of this command line to-do manager. Thank you for watching.